Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is day 8. Now, I know we're still at $0, but we're really close to getting our first couple projects done. But in the meantime, we are working on some other ones. And I know seems a little slow, but that's just because I only can do 2 hours a day with schoolwork and stuff like that. I dedicate 2 hours a day to this woodworking business. But because that's what I know is manageable. If I was out of school, dedicate 8 hours a day, you could probably do more than $1,000 a month easily. You could probably, do 4,000 a month if you wanted. But anyways, just wanted to make that clear. But today, still one last coat of paint on the legs, but then we're making this into a bench, and hopefully also maybe do something with this, figure something out, or do a different project. But that's the plan for today, plus do epoxy coat. But here we go. Hey everyone, so that's the end of day 8. We got done the epoxy. We sanded this guy. This guy's ready for epoxy. I think I did my last coat on the one piece, the 2 pieces there. So this will be the next thing right on the list to do. Is epoxy for that. Also, we're starting to build the legs for it. The paint, for some reason, there were some spots where it wasn't quite dry. So I left that for now. I didn't do that today. But tomorrow we'll conquer that. But thanks for joining the journey. Please subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A woodworking journey. It's day 9. Good news, the epoxy is done for 2 of the side tables. We're just doing the one last coat of paint on the legs, since the legs are dry now. But I just wanted to say thank you quick for all the support I got on the last video. I got a lot of views, which made me really happy, and I'm just glad that this is going somewhere, and I'm not still stuck at 2 views. But anyways, yeah, so do one last coat of paint on that, start epoxying this, finish the legs for that, and I think that's all. Oh yeah, and just finish sanding. I just have a little bit, there was a couple drips. I'm just going to take care of those that were on the side tables that I just epoxied. But that should be a day, and here we go. Thank you again, and please subscribe. Hey everyone, so that was day 9. It wasn't a real total productive day. All we did was we got these cut. I really wanted to put this together, but it's getting pretty cold here in Alberta, and my glue was all frozen, even though it was only in here for a couple hours. So tomorrow I'll get it glued right when I start working out here, because otherwise it will freeze again probably. It is going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow. It is pretty cold today. But yeah, so yeah, I just got all these cut. Like, this is ready to go. Like 20 minutes and that's done. These are... I'm going to put polyurethane on the back of them. But those guys are done. We got the things... That should be the last coat for the legs for painting. So these should be on the market within 2 days. So I know it's been a long time, but thanks for holding in there, guys, and supporting the channel. It hasn't been going as fast as I've hoped, just because we had a delay with getting the epoxy back from a friend, and we also had a delay, well, just because I can only do so much with school. I dedicate 2 hours a day to the woodworking business. That's all I can do. And it's dark out and stuff by the time I finish anyways, so yeah. And we did get a coat of epoxy on the slab thing, so that was good. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you tomorrow. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's day 10. And today we have a little bit more time than yesterday, so we'll be able to get done a lot more, hopefully. Yeah, I got a little list here. First of all, we're going to poly the end tables, the underside of them, and get them all mounted to the legs. And then we're going to finish building these bench legs here. Get that all done, and then we're going to be sanding. I want to sand down the bench top. I had a little bit of bubbles because there's quite a bit more cracks on the top for some reason, so we're going to sand that off. And then also the tree cookie, just get that sanded nicely where the crack was, and do one more coat of epoxy on that. That should be good. Plus, I'm hoping I have enough time to start on another project today. So, yeah, here we go. Should be good. So that's the end of day 10. Thanks for watching the whole video. And we didn't quite get as much done as we wanted to. Well, we did get most of the things done on the list. Actually, we got done all of them. Except this bench legs didn't really turn out the way I wanted. I don't know. If there's... I'm working with the wood I got. It's all rough lumber. And it's kind of... I don't know. I wish I had a planer. That would make it easier to get everything a little bit nicer, but somewhere during the build process, as you can see, it is a little rocky. Maybe I can salvage it through some ways, or maybe I might just have to build a whole new leg design. I have an idea for another leg design, but maybe we can revive this one in a way. If you guys have any ideas on what I could do to make this a little less wobbly, let me know in the comments. Or another leg design for a bench. I think the legs are 32 inches long by I think it's only 8 inches wide. That's the max width it can be. But yeah, if you have any ideas, please let me know. I'm open to suggestions. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, well, I did have to do a little bit of touch-ups on the painting, so I wasn't able to mount those yet. I did that earlier today. But yeah. So also, I'm going to be planning on building another... I did find I had some old trapezoid legs from another tabletop. No, they were just sitting in the house by my stuff. Some old metal trapezoid legs from an old table I think we got from the thrift store or something that I reused. But I'm gonna try to use those in some sort of a table, probably a side table. If worst comes to worst, they would probably almost, although they might be a little bit too wide on the top for the bench legs, but if worst comes to worst, I can always use those for the bench. But I would like to make my own design. Like, I don't know, I thought this was a decent design, but didn't quite work out. But maybe I can revive it. I usually always tend to be able to revive stuff. But yeah, again, thanks for watching. This is day 10. The money is coming soon, I promise. It's a slow start, but once we get the money flowing, I'm sure we'll be able to do it. Get some good cash for some of these projects. But quality over quantity. See you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the journey. A woodworking journey, I guess you could say. But today is day 11. We're still at $0, but good news, we're going to be mounting the side tables together today. I'm also going to be playing around with this bench a little bit, trying to make it sit a little bit flatter. And other than that, I am going to be... I think I'm going to be... Oh yeah, what was the other task? To polyurethane the bottom of the tree cookie and hopefully get that mounted too today as well. Also, I'm gonna try to make a little bench thing out of this piece and do that by and I'm gonna use those metal legs for this one, hopefully. So yeah, that should be a nice little project there. So here we go. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe. Hey everyone, so that's the end of the video. So I'm sorry we didn't get too much done today, but I have youth group today, so I wanted to go to that, so I didn't really have too much time. But what we did get is, I think I figured out these legs. They do seem to be sitting a little bit straighter, or flatter, I mean. Not as much wobble, which is good. Also, we started sanding this piece, and we put together the two side tables. So those are looking pretty good. We also polyurethane the back of the tree cookie, and that's just about ready to go and be mounted on the legs as well. But I'm gonna post those legs or those side tables for sale hopefully tonight. But yeah, thanks for watching, and please check out my other videos if you would like to see how the journey started and how we got here. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today it is day 12. We have the good news. We have the two side tables up for sale. No bites yet, but maybe something in the next couple days, hopefully. But anyways, we're still trucking along in here, trying to make some more projects, or more tables, I mean, and stuff like that. But today we are going to be mounting the tree cookie to its base. We are also going to be putting wood filler on the bench legs here. And we are going to be finishing sanding that other piece that we started yesterday. Get that epoxied and do another coat of epoxy on the bench as well. And then we'll see what we get come up with from there. It's probably time to start on a new project. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, and here we go. Everyone, so we just got done for the day. We did mount the table on. We also put wood filler on the bench legs, and we did do the epoxy on that little table and the bench. So yeah, and I started my next project here, but see, I wanna biscuit joint these two pieces together to make a bigger coffee table. But I really want to wait till I have the planer to really do it right. And because I feel like, as you can see here, I have the jointer, which I've been running that, but there's still just everything is just a little unsquare here. We got a little ridge here, and there is still a little bit of a gap in there. But once I have the planer, a lot of that air will get taken out, and it will be a lot easier to biscuit joint it, and it will look a lot better. So I think I'll wait for that, just because I just don't want to waste this if it doesn't turn out. And plus, I don't have a whole bunch of, I only have 3 big clamps, or actually 4 big clamps right now, which I would like 6 for this one. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And if you have any ideas on if there's any way to biscuit joint this and have it pretty much error free, or yeah, without a planer, let me know. Maybe we can get started on it sooner than expected. But yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's day 13 now, but it's not unlucky 13, because today we actually hit some big milestones. First of all, we hit 100 subscribers. I want to thank you guys for that. That's awesome. Second of all, we also had our first sale today. We sold the 2 side tables for 120 bucks. So that's our first $120 made. We still need some more money coming in to get to the 1,000, but the tree cookie is now up for sale. And guess what too? We did get another order for another set of side tables, just exactly like that. So this is what we're gonna do today. So that's good news. We do have some traction. We've gained some traction on the selling part of things. So I am going to start working on those 2 side tables right away. Get those sanded, start working on the base. If we have time, I'm going to come back to this. And glue this up. I think I can make it work if I glue it just with my power planer and stuff like that. I think we can make it work. Other than that, we are also going to be, that bench tabletop didn't really work out. I don't know what happened. When I was looked on YouTube and they said to sand it between coats, which that's what I was doing, which I did it the first time and it worked good. But then the second time, once I poured the epoxy over it, you could still see the little scuff marks from the sander, which that didn't happen when the first time I did it. So that piece is kind of ruined, but whatever. I think I'm just going to leave that project for now, because right now I have designated work that if I get done, I know I already have a buyer for it, right? And I didn't really like how these legs turned out for the bench anyways, that much. So yeah, today we're getting started on another set of side tables. Here we go. everyone, so we started working on the side tables, mostly sanded. Want to do a quick sand tomorrow as well on them. But yeah, got that done, and we did get all the materials cut up tonight for the assembling, and hopefully assemble the legs tomorrow. Get that done. Tomorrow we have a lot more time than today, so I should be able to get a lot done, and I really want to get to that glue up because I think I can do it without a planer now after reading some of the comments. Thanks for commenting, guys. I'm just a young woodworker out here, so if you have any other ideas, things I can do, yeah, just throw it in the comments. But yeah, so that was a pretty good day. Thank you again for 100 subscribers, and we're now up to $120. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's day 14. We're still at $120. We haven't sold the tree cookie table yet, but yeah. Today we are going to be putting the legs up together for the, we had another side table order. We're doing that, and we are also going to sand the tops of those and get a coat of epoxy on them. Also, we are going to be biscuit joining these two spruce pieces together. But that's basically the plan for today. If we have some more time left over, we will start another project. I'm not sure what it is yet, but yes, we will start another project. Other than that, thank you for all the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a day of posting. It's nice to see that we're gaining some traction on YouTube. It's definitely, I didn't think it would happen this fast, but thank you guys. Here we go. Hey everyone, so that's all we're gonna do for today. As you've seen, we did run into a lot of issues with that gluing up those two slabs together. That did not work as planned. I'm not completely sure what happened. All I know is it was tough getting them together, and then I kind of had them together. And then all of a sudden when I started clamping even with the boards on the side, it started curling and popped out. of the biscuit joints, which I was like, what? And so I tried to hold that together, and then just everything went bad. And there it is right there. I guess we're just gonna... I'll be able to use the boards for something else. I'm just gonna... Maybe that's our sign that I need to get a planer soon. Because if I had a planer, I'm pretty sure the boards would have been more straight, and they probably would have went together a lot better, and there wouldn't have been an issue with gluing them up like that. Anyways, that's all right. We'll try again another time. We did get done the legs though. That's good. Now just waiting for them to dry, and we'll sand them tomorrow. We also did start epoxying, and yeah. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.